Hey St. Jude Runners, thanks for joining me again. This time it is for another unboxing. This time I've got a couple pairs of something in this bag. Check out the unboxing right after this. Alright, so let us get on to the unboxing. This is what came in the mail today on 2-day shipping. I did not get this for free. I paid for this. This is the Rhône activewear. Their logo is here with their slogan "Forever Forward." And I received this today. I'm going on a race this weekend and wanted to test out some new stuff when I'm doing a race. 5K, it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. As you know, I have had other issues with some of my other purchases in the past with Rhône, but they did have a great customer satisfaction, and I returned those items, and they credited me my money back. The other thing, the reason I purchased these is because I have, as you know from my other reviews, trying out the Rabbit running shorts. You can check out that review. I'll try to put that in the description. They are very comfortable. They have a boxer brief style liner. The Patagonia Strider Pro shorts had a boxer brief style liner, and they have recently changed that to a brief style liner. And the Lululemon Pace Breaker shorts, which were my favorite shorts, they updated the liner on a recent change, and they're no longer comfortable for long distances. So I'm hoping that Patagonia goes back to or offers something similar to the Patagonia Strider Pro with some boxer brief style liners that go a little bit down farther for a longer distance. I understand not everybody likes the brief style liner. So this is Rhône's version, and unboxing this, we have, get this open. We have this, which is Rhône's return policy. You need to look at that. Pretty standard return policy. You just visit their website, and there's a form you can fill out, and then you drop it in the mail, and they'll either return it, and they'll credit you back, or they'll exchange it. And then opening this up, pull out these two. These are, let's see if I have the name on these. The blue color is their 7-inch maneuver short, which is lined in the Turkish Sea color, and these are in an extra large. They are it has a water repellent stretch body, the gold fusion in the boxer brief, reflective details, and a media pocket. And so let me open these up first, and then we'll get to the red pair. So opening these up, they are a 7-inch. Very similar in style to the Lululemon Pace Breaker short. Don't need that. Inside, it says, battles are won by slaughter and maneuver. It's kind of interesting. So opening these up, they do have the waistband. It's a round waistband tie with these rubbery ends on them. It's on the inside of the waistband, as you can see there. And it does go around the entire thing. So pulling these up, there is Rhône detailing on this side here. Let's see if I can make that show up without blending in. They do have some reflective detailing along the leg there, these little hashes, and it's on both sides. It is a very soft material. They have a little media pocket here on this side. It's on the right hip. Actually, the right front pocket. It would be similar to where your pockets would be in the jeans, maybe just a little bit farther back. Their logo is stitched in red on that seam right below that pocket. And that's pretty much it. They do have the boxer brief style liner in these. So from what I understand, their gold fusion is they infuse gold thread material in it. They have a silver kind of thing, silver scents at Lululemon, so it's similar, and it's supposed to inhibit bacteria growth and smell from sweating for long periods of time. So these are the 7-inch maneuver shorts in the extra large in Turkish Sea. I picked these up. I want to say those were 20 bucks. Next, these are the Swift collection, Swift 7-inch short lined. These are in goji berry, and extra large. These are a little bit different. They're Swift shorts. I'm going to say are similar to Lululemon's, not their pace breakers, but their, I can't remember which other shorts at this time. But it will pop into my brain when I finish this, and I'll put it in here. These are very light. They're in a red color. They have the same little rubber end on the round lace that goes around the inseam, or around the waistband. This one says raised to face any challenge on the back of them. It's in red. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then on the back of these have, according to their little description card here, ultra lightweight 4-way stretch quick drying poly gold fusion in boxer brief with increased wicking and anti-odor technology, laser perforated panels and gusset for breathability, welded and flat lock seams for chafe-proof performance, elastic towel loop at back, and security zipper pocket. So these have little tiny dots, and it is going to be really hard to catch those. You can see them in here. Perforations in the material, however it doesn't go through the liner, so you can't see anything past it. This is that elastic towel loop or t-shirt loop. I don't know how many people would use this. I don't think I've ever seen anybody that has worn Rhône or Lululemon that has this little thing on the back of them use it. So I don't know how useful that is. It seems like just a lot of extra that doesn't need to be there. It does have the side zip pocket with a metal zipper end to it. Very nice pocket. It's pretty big. I would imagine it can fit this phone. And then just kind of going around, it has split legs on it, and they're reflective details. So something cool that I just noticed as I was holding this up, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that to duplicate on there, but those perforated holes, you can kind of see it right in here. It says Rhône. Their logo is stitched, or is perforated in there. I wish I could get it to show up. It's pretty cool. So it just has RHONE right in here, which is pretty cool. So, and then the inside of the leg, the inseam part is also perforated along here, so that it gets some breathability in there. And then they also have, there's no perforation for Rhône down here, but they do have their logo. You can see that there. So it's the same thing with Rhône on the other side, where you can see this perforation. Let's see one more time if I can get it to show up. And it just doesn't want to do it. There you go. So you can kind of see the RHONE. So that is the pair of Swift shorts in the 7, in an extra large, which I'm going to try out and see if these work. Lots of reflective detailing on these. The material is really nice, really smooth. The stitches are all flat locked on both of these pairs of shorts, so I don't foresee an issue. But these are similar to the pace breakers. These are similar to the other set of Lululemon shorts that I can't remember, even with the perforations. So I will take these on a couple runs this upcoming week, and I will post a review after I've had a chance to run in them. Please check out Rhône. Give them an opportunity to gain some of your business. I will put a link down below. Doesn't do anything for me. I just want to point you out to good companies if you like their materials. So I'm gonna give these a try. Watch for my post on these and some other items. If you're looking for running clothing, check out my other posts. I have reviews, in-depth reviews on a lot of my favorite gear. I have some new ones coming for a couple of my pairs of shoes, some Escalante racers in the 4th of July style. You can check out some of my other reviews. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Rhône shorts, and I can't wait to get these out and try them out and get some miles in them. So hopefully you get out, get your miles in, and enjoy the winter time if you're watching this from now. And if not, just get outside and enjoy the outside. Thanks for joining me on the St. Jude channel. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, big thumbs up would be great. Give me a subscribe so you can check out some of my other reviews, and please share these with other people if you have people that are interested. Thanks, have a great day.